Okay, this is about the Mediterranean villa facade with the pool design, and I speed up this video from around 30 minutes into the 8 minutes approximately. Okay, the first step to design Mediterranean villa exterior with the swimming pool design in this SketchUp. The first I make the basic model and I make the basic shaping of the swimming pool in here. I use the line to shape the swimming pool first for the swimming pool position and swimming pool concept with the infinity pool concept in here. And I not make the just only a rectangle swimming pool, but I make the like a trapezoid shaped swimming pool to make it more dynamic and attractive in here. And then I decide to make the basic meshing of the first mesh of this villa in here with the trapezoid and also the rectangular. This is the combination about the trapezoid and also the rectangular facade in here, rectangular shaping meshing in here. And I make the another meshing on the right side in here with the rectangle, and I cut it in with the line, and then I give the several dimension to show us about the dimension that I make in this SketchUp exterior villa tutorial in here. Okay, and I give the thickness. The thickness is around 300 millimeter or 30 centimeters thickness in here, and I duplicate the flooring and I make the connection between the first meshing and also the second meshing in here. So and the second meshing I make it around 3 floor with the rooftop in here. Three floor include the rooftop in here, and I divide into the several part of the facing to make the large glazing in here. So this is only the basic meshing of the modern style. So I make it the modern style to make the minimalist and modern glazing in here. But on the further step, I add the Mediterranean elements on it in here. But in this step I make just I still make the basic shaping in here. Okay, and then I make the rectangle. I make the basic rectangle to fill the emptiness of the middle meshing in here, or the connector mesh in here on this villa in here. And I divide into the several parts of the glazing, and this is about the rooftop area. This is the rooftop element area of this building, and I divide into the several parts of glazing, and I make the railing with the glass with the line in here to make the glazing, and I put the 1 meter of the height of this glass railing on the rooftop in this second meshing in here. And then I divide it into the several parts of the railing. Okay, and then for this step I make the accent of the Mediterranean to make the Mediterranean concept. This is the main accent. So because I make the Mediterranean concept of the villa facade in here, because I like this concept because it was luxurious and it has the uniqueness, not only just a modern villa or not only just a contemporary villa, but the Mediterranean is very unique in here, and it has the value. And for me, it has the value to be attractive, one, and it's will not the monotonous in here. And okay, in this part I select the line and also the curve line in here, and I put the paste in place in here to make the dark accent in here, and also I applied it on the another accent of the Mediterranean accent in here with the curve, and also the subtraction of the object in here. And I put this little accent, and I duplicate it parallel in here, and I duplicate it parallel to make it more attractive on the first meshing in here. And I just make the thickness of this dark accent, and I duplicate it into the several parts in here. Okay, and then I put the green. I put the greenery in here. I put the greenery in here, and I put the decking in here. Okay, I put the decking, and I develop the infinity pools in here with the gutter, because the gutter, it was the basic conceptual system water flow in here, because the the swimming pool has the overflow concept of the water circulation in here. So the water circulation has falling down into the gutter, and then it has a circulation again, and then I make the another materials in here. Okay, and I put the landscaping, and I modified about the plants in here, and I duplicate about the plants into the appropriate place in here. Okay, and after that I determine I determine to put the another accent in here on the every single curve openings in here on the every single curve opening. So the every single curve opening has like a canopy, like a unique canopy in here. Okay, and I adjust about the rotation. I adjust about the positioning and also the orientation of the canopy in here to place and position it into the appropriate position in here. Okay, and after that I repositioning again about this curve canopy in here on the main Mediterranean canopy in here, because this is a large Mediterranean openings canopy in here, and I duplicate into this position to the another side in here. Okay, I place to the position in here, and I put the another one. I add more Mediterranean accent in here on the central opening in here. Okay, and then I just click this one. I make this one. Okay, and push it to the front and make the dark accent also in here, and then I decide to add more crown for every single Mediterranean accent openings in here, and I put it into the dark accent in here, because it would make more different vibes in here. It look more elegant and look more unique in here. Okay, and I enlarge about the landscape on the middle in here to make it more have greenery in here, so it's not only the building meshing, it's also the greenery option in here, and it would make the balancing with the greenery proportion and also the meshing proportion in here. Okay, and so this is about the final result, and I put the blue background on the ground and also the sky to make it more highlighted while in here, and I put the shadow on this Mediterranean villa with the infinity pool or swimming pool area design in here. So the villa is not only the rectangle and not only the straight orientation position in here, but I try to explore more the Mediterranean concept modern with the diagonal orientation of every single meshing in here, especially for the first meshing in here and also the second meshing, and the center meshing is for the connection. Thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much.